Hi, welcome back to Tosh Vlogs. Got a craving for Chinese food and you want to make it yourself? Well, here's an easy beef lo mein recipe that'll get you right. First, you want to start by heating some oil and also boiling your water for your noodles. Then you want to start seasoning your steak strips. As always, I like to use Dell's accent and garlic powder, and I'll also be using a Montreal steak seasoning by McCormick's. I almost forgot, but I want to use a little allspice in this as well. Once your oil is hot enough, you want to go ahead and add your steak strips. And I'm using two separate pans because I have some that doesn't like all the veggies in theirs. Once you get your steak almost done, you want to go in and add a little soy sauce, a little Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon of brown sugar, and about a 1/4 cup of water. You want to mix everything in well, and then you want to go ahead and add your vegetables. And I'm using a bag stir fry mix from the grocery store, but I also added my own peppers and onions. And at this point, I'm gonna let it cook for about 5 more minutes while stirring. I went ahead and turned the other pot down to low because it doesn't have vegetables that need to be cooked. Now that I'm getting ready to add the noodles, I went ahead and turned the other pot back up. And I'm going to insert noodles into both pans. And you guys, I decided to use fettuccine noodles. I like those noodles better, but you can use whatever you want. At this point, I'm adding a little olive oil so it doesn't stick together. I also add a little accent and garlic powder, and I want to mix that in all pretty good. I'm also doing the same thing for the other pot that doesn't have veggies in it. You want to make sure everything is evenly distributed. Depending on how crunchy you like your veggies, you can go ahead and stop at this point. Or if you like your veggies a little softer, you can let it go for a little longer. And guys, this concludes my video on how I make my easy beef lo mein. Please like, comment, and subscribe.